Hello cloud experts. So thank you for watching this complete course, and I hope I was able to add some value to your knowledge, and I hope you enjoyed this session. So let us understand what are the concluding remarks and what is the way forward. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I am a cloud trainer and consultant. Now, what is the summary? What are the things we discussed in this session? We started with what is the cloud computing and how it is different than the traditional IT infrastructure. Introduction and history of AWS. We talked about history of AWS, how it got started and how it evolved over a period of time. We talked about AWS console and AWS services. We also talked about IAM, which is identity and access management. But at the same time, we also talked about few other services related to the security and the compliance. In compute, we talked about EC2, which is Elastic Compute Cloud. But in addition to this, we also talked about Elastic Beanstalk, AWS Lambda kind of services. We talked about storage service, which is S3, also called a simple storage service. And we talked about EBS, Elastic Block Storage, EFS, Elastic File Storage, and Amazon Glacier. We talked about RDS, relational database services. In addition to this, we talked about DynamoDB and Redshift kind of services in AWS. VPC, which is Virtual Private Cloud, and Route 53, we discussed on the networking and content delivery. And we also talked about CloudFront and some other services in the networking and content delivery domain. In machine learning, we talked about few services related to Amazon machine learning services. And finally, we concluded our session with the cost management services available on AWS. I hope you enjoyed this learning, and if you have any feedback, please provide your feedback in our video comment section. What is the way forward? The way forward, if you want to learn more about AWS, the only key is to practice, practice, and practice. So more you practice, more you learn AWS. I will be coming up with more and more videos, and if you want to be notified for those videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not already signed up for AWS free tier account, please go ahead and sign up for AWS free tier account and start exploring it. However, before you do this, please make sure to understand that free tier limitation before you start using it. So before you start using it, please understand what are the free tier limitation, because if you don't know this clearly, you may incur some of the cost on your AWS account. If you want to take some certification exams, this course may not be sufficient for cloud, for a solution architecting exam or some other exams which are available on AWS. However, I will add many more sessions in this, and we will move closer to the AWS certifications with some more sessions on some particular topics. And last but not the least, if you don't understand anything, do not panic. Nobody knows all the services of AWS, and it is not mandatory for everyone to be an expert in AWS. However, if you really did not understand any services which I mentioned, please feel free to go back to those videos and watch those videos again. And if you have any other questions, please feel those things in my comments, and I will be more than happy to answer your question. If you really want to learn AWS more, please send me your feedback, and I will be coming up with more videos based on your interest. That's all in this course we have. I hope you enjoyed the course and able to learn a few new things. My name is Sanjay Kumar, and I'm a cloud trainer consultant. Look forward to see your feedback and your comments on this particular course. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For early notification, you can also press the bell icon. If you need any more information, please visit us at www.cloud-training.guru or email us at cloudtrainingguru101@gmail.com. Thank you very much.